Samsung is known for not following the trend of ultra-fast charging speeds. For several years, the Korean company has equipped only a handful of its flagship models with 45W charging capabilities, while the majority of its Galaxy lineup comes with 25W charging. This year appears to be a turning point, though. After the Galaxy M55/C55/F55 mid-ranger came with 45W, now it is time for the Galaxy A series. First in line is the Galaxy A56, which was certified in China with support for 45W rates. The phone is still in the works and is highly unlikely to arrive before March 2025. Nevertheless, we already know the Samsung Galaxy A56 will have an improved selfie camera while keeping the same 50MP main plus 12MP ultrawide plus 5MP macro combination as its predecessor. The mid-ranger from the best-selling A50's lineup will have a new chipset, Exynos 1580. The SoC was recently introduced with a 3-cluster CPU, 1 by 2.91 GHz Cortex, A720 plus 3 by 2.6 GHz Cortex, A720 plus 4 by 1.95 GHz Cortex, A520, and a new GPU based on AMD's RDNA 3 architecture. The Galaxy A56 will also launch with Android 15 out of the box and will have an 8GB RAM option.